Coffee is not just a morning ritual, it's a vibrant potion brimming with incredible health benefits. Imagine this, each steaming cup overflows with antioxidants, those tiny warriors that battle harmful free radicals, protecting your body like a shield. But that's not all. Research shows that coffee can kickstart your metabolism, turbocharging your fat-burning powers. Picture yourself savoring that beloved brew while feeling a surge of energy. Here's a shocking fact. Drinking coffee is linked to a lower chance of developing serious conditions like Parkinson's and type 2 diabetes. Amazing, right? It gets even more exciting. Coffee enhances your concentration and sharpens your memory, turning you into a productivity dynamo. Staring down a mountain of work? A cup of this magical drink could be your secret weapon. Whether you enjoy it black or with a splash of cream, each delightful sip brings you closer to better health. So, let's raise our mugs and celebrate these fantastic perks. Share your favorite coffee moments in the comments and spread the joy of this captivating brew. Here's to coffee and all its extraordinary benefits. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.